Hello, my name is Chiara and
My name is Massi.
and today we are going to share part of our culture. Today we are going to show you how to make Chilean pancakes. They're different from the American ones, but they're super delicious and the recipe is super easy. Your ingredients are going to be 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, half a cup of water, a cup of flour, and 3 tablespoons of butter. So you want to start at low speed once you put all the ingredients in, and then slowly get it to high speed because if not, your flour is going to go everywhere.
Massi, do you have to add something?
Nope. And you need to do it in 20 minutes to go all the bubbles. Bubbles.
The mixture separates, just stir it around. And make sure your pan is hot. You can use medium heat. My mom lets me do this alone because I've done it with her a lot of times. But you really need adult supervision. And make sure your pancake is thin. Doesn't really have to be circle shaped. Once it's cooked on one side, you can flip it. You can put stuffings like dulce, leche, or manjar. Those are the names in Chilean, but you can also put Nutella or fruit or jam.
It's ready to eat.
How is it?
Very good.
It doesn't